Hey everybody, I'm Chad Collins and welcome to PIL TV, Priority Investor Loans TV. This is the kickoff to our weekly series where we're going to provide useful tips, tricks, and insights into the investing world and primarily how we stand out amongst our competitors in the hard money lending world. Priority Investor Loans is a hard money lending company, and we lend to investors in Houston and the other major metros in Texas. We lend on anything from single family, multifamily, commercial. We also specialize in closing efficiently and quickly. Typically on a single family, we close within 2 weeks, and on a multifamily or commercial within 30 days. As for me, I am the Director of Lending here at Priority Investor Loans. I've been in the commercial real estate world for over 15 years, and I'm extremely confident in the team we have here to close your loan efficiently and quickly. My contact information is at the bottom of the screen. Please reach out to us and we look forward to helping you in your next loan. That's all we have for this week. We look forward to seeing you next week on PIL TV.